space is completely silent. Our sun is considered an average-sized star. Sunsets on Mars appear blue. That's cool. Come in, Cali.
Hey, Summer. What you doing?
Studying astronomy.
Oh, really? I'm heading over to the cafe to study for my computer graphics class. Want to join me?
Aw, I wish I had said something earlier. Jazz is coming over to study.
Summer, it's me!
Looks like Jazz is here. See you later, Summer.
Summer, seriously? You call this a study group? You're missing the most important thing.
Really? What? I have books, a computer, notes.
Snacks, Summer. We need snacks. And maybe a puppy or two.
How about we get through chapter 9 first, and then we can worry about snacks. We can have something delivered.
Okay, but don't forget the puppy.
No.
Oh, goodness. We still have cupcakes left over from Christmas? I gotta clear all these things out. Star Frog's DIY Coffee, Caroline speaking. How can I help you? Oh, you're here. And you're early. Okay, I'll send somebody right out. Donnie.
Yes?
Can you go outside and get the Mia Munchables delivery while I clean out the case?
Sure, no problem.
Where is Sabrina, my so-called business partner? Hello, loyal customers. Thank you for supporting the cafe. Your business is appreciated.
Sabrina, how nice of you to finally come to work.
Ooh, I see the baked goods I ordered were delivered.
Yes, and thank you for that. But it would have been nice if you were here to receive them.
Don't start, Caroline, after the morning I've had.
The morning you've had? You hardly ever help out with the cafe.
You know I've been working on my Save the Turtles campaign. It is very important to me. Then I had to get my nails done, and I was 15 minutes late, and they canceled my appointment, so I had to wait.
Should I get a violin? Business has really picked up since the gala. You gotta start helping out.
I'm here now. What do you need?
You can go in the back and start taking inventory.
Hello, I just said I got my nails done. I can't pick anything up.
Well then, can you at least hire a new delivery person?
Nigel, there you are. I've been looking for you everywhere.
I've just been walking around, trying to clear my head.
Well, forget all of that for now, because we have a wedding to plan.
Oh yeah, the wedding.
2 chapters completed. And as promised, let's order those snacks. Hey, Caroline, can we get the special delivered? Yeah, I'm gonna need 2. Great, thanks.
You know, I'm really happy we're friends again. Sorry I was a little obsessed with your boyfriend.
Don't worry about it. I'm over it. And besides, we're not even together anymore.
About that, do you mind if I, give it a go?
Give it a go? What, and like, date Damon?
Yeah, because, you know, technically, I liked him before you.
Damon is free to make his own decisions and date whoever he wants to date.
Great. Well, now that that's settled, I like that outfit.
Oh, thanks. I bought it at Made by Mombi.
Can I wear it on my date?
No. Huh, that must be our food. Damon!
Damon?
What are you doing here?
You made an order at Caroline's Cafe, and I'm delivering it.
Oh, yeah, sorry. I'll take that.
Well, hello there, Damon.
Hi, Jazz.
You can call me Jasmina.
Okay, I'm gonna go.
Wait! You wanna go out sometime?
Smooth, Jazz. Real smooth.
Help!
Good job, everyone. Alex, congratulations. You got the highest grade in the class. Jazz, I think you're confusing astrology with astronomy.
I know the difference. I was just testing you.
And Summer, Solid A as always.
Yes.
Good news! We have a space program this semester. You all will need to compete with a partner for a chance to earn a seat. Class dismissed.
I have to get a seat in this program. It's everything I've ever wanted.
Summer. Psst, psst. Hey, Summer.
Oh no, Jazz is gonna want to be partners.
Summer, do you mind? I have places to go and space programs to win. Psst, psst. Summer.
Oh no. Do I pick Jazz because she's my friend and we always study together? Or do I ask Alex because she has like the highest grade in the class?
Excuse me, Earth to Summer. Summer, over here.
Alex, do you want to be my partner for the space program competition?
Yeah, sure. You'll do.
We can meet at my place in about 15 minutes.
Okay, whatever. Summer, how could you? Are you punishing me because I asked out Damon?
No, I'm not punishing you, and I said I didn't care about that.
Then why would you pick Alex out of all people over me?
Jazz, why do you even want to be in this space program? You're a drama major.
How else am I ever going to star in the first ever sci-fi reality series?
Really?
What? You're only taking these classes so you can write a sci-fi novel. How is that any different?
Jazz, I just don't think you're gonna take this seriously, and this means a lot to me.
You should have given me a chance.
Jazz! First things first, let's talk budget. What were you thinking? 1, 2, 1,000? Million?
Octavia, that is way too much.
Nigel, my friends and family would expect nothing less. In New Doll City, I was known for being fabulous. So of course, my wedding day has to be the most amazing event the Miniverse has ever seen. I was thinking gold, since it's my signature color, and cream.
Did you say green? I love green.
No, I said cream. Goodness, Nigel, you have no taste at all. You're lucky I'm here. And never wear that shirt again. Poor Nigel.
Octavia, I do not understand why we are even having a wedding. It's not like this is even a real relationship. We might as well go down to the courthouse and sign the papers.
Oh, Nigel, don't be like that. I still want to have my day. Think of it as a party. For me. Joining the family. Now, doesn't that sound nice?
Oh, so this is your apartment. Pretty much what I expected.
How about we focus on the space program competition and come up with a study plan?
No need.
Oh, so you don't make a plan? Well then, how do you study?
I don't.
You don't need to study? Wow, I had no idea, Alex, you were so smart.
No, Summer. I don't need to study because I have all the answers.
Wait, you don't mean cheating, do you?
Oh, you're not gonna be a baby about this, are you?
Alex, you can get on academic probation or even kicked out of school.
Are you in or out, Summer?
Sorry, Alex, but I am not willing to risk everything I've worked for.
I knew you couldn't handle this. Goodbye, Summer. Good luck at the competition. You'll need it. Welcome to Star Frog's DIY Coffee. How can I help you?
It's just me, Caroline. I'm here to pick up the next delivery.
Thank you, Damon. You've been the biggest help. Sabrina was supposed to hire a delivery person, but then she walked out of here and I haven't seen her all day.
It's no trouble. Really.
Donnie, can you please watch the counter while I go in the back and prepare this order?
Sure.
Just give me 5 minutes and I'll be back. I guess I'm just not gonna do the competition. I can't find a partner.
Jazz, wait up.
Who? Me? Don't you mean Alex?
No, I'm looking for you.
choosing Alex over you was a bad idea.
What? Is that supposed to be a surprise?
I deserve that. Alex was a terrible partner. The two of us just don't make sense. I just want to apologize. I just wanted to win a seat so bad. I was willing to do anything, even work with Alex. Jazz, if you can forgive me and you still don't have a partner, I was hoping that we could team up.
Let me think about it.
Oh, okay.
Of course! As many times as I've double-crossed you and you've forgiven me, it's the least I can do.
Okay, I'll grab some snacks and we can meet up at my place.
Okay.
Now, where is 21st Street?
Damon?
Oh, hello, Summer.
Wow, running into you twice in one day. I feel like I'm seeing you more now than when we were together.
Ouch.
Oh, sorry. Too soon.
No, it's fine. Really, I just want to say sorry. I don't know what was wrong with me at that gala. I kind of ruined everything, didn't I?
Hey, it is what it is. We gave it a shot, and now it's over.
But does it have to be?
Damon,
Nigel, I am a very busy woman. Why have you called me here today?
Mother, Octavia and I are like oil and water. We are a bad match.
I carefully picked her because of her family's financial position. Are you saying I chose wrong?
I am saying I cannot marry her.
to be continued on the next Sommer and Cali. Can we get some more light over here? It's still a little dark by Caroline.
Toya, I just want to say thank you for this opportunity. This little crossover here is very important to me.
Okay, Donnie. Damon, are you eating the cupcakes and donuts from Christmas? Those are like 3 months old.
No.
Okay, Jazz, in this scene, I want you to jump over the couch after Damon. And don't worry, we'll get a mattress down there for you. Can we get a small mattress on the floor behind the couch?
What? Like this? Woo! Ouch! Jazz, you were supposed to wait for the mattress.
We gave it a shot, and now it's over.
But does it have to be?
No! Damon's mine!
Oh no!
Ah!
Jazz, what in the world? Okay, let's reset for the 4th time. And can someone please remove Jazz from the building?
But I'm under contract!